Right, so this is the afternoon run back down Long Beach, closer to 5 p.m. Awesome day at the beach. Water's a bit cool. This is the problem you got. You're in the middle of January, probably about the warmest it gets, and the water's still, I didn't measure the temperature, I'd estimate about 20 degrees, quite cool, which is alright on a really smoking hot day, but I think we've got about 23 degrees at the moment, and that's a warm day in Robe from what I've seen. Anyway, in general we'll say. Anyway, yeah, I don't mind someone doing some little bit of circle work on the beach. Not a bad spot for it when you think about it, nice and hard and open. So, you know, not down along this section obviously, but in the open little area where I suppose if you had no idea what you're doing and you lost it, you're not going to hurt anyone. So, you know, people have got to have their fun, so I'm certainly not complaining. You know, you do it on the road, might grip up a little bit and could launch off in the wrong direction. People end up on footpaths and whatever, quite dangerous. But on the beach, you know, hundreds of metres from anyone, not much can really go wrong, you know. It's probably more dangerous, the possibility of kids, right? You know, look at this. They built their speed humps for the day. That's just great. Yeah, that's really good the way they've done that. Gotta love that. It's like such a sharp, harsh bang, you know. A lot of vehicles would be just getting slammed on that. But anyway, hope you enjoyed Feed the Seagulls. I hope you enjoyed a bit of circle work on the beach in the Red Ute. And obviously we've got better videos on the channel and better videos coming your way. So subscribe, turn the bell on. Hopefully that was your bit of entertainment. And this is your view heading south, back towards Robe if you like, on Long Beach after a long day. No, not really. Catch you guys soon. Mate, we were just driving along the beach and this guy's rod, it's picked up and it's absolutely screaming. Have a look at this for a bit of action. I don't know what's on the end of this. Oh no, it's all gone. I think he's off now, or it's swimming back this way. No, he's on still. How's this for a bit of action, eh? I'm just going to be quiet here. Don't know what's going on here, but it's definitely a bit of action on the beach. I don't know what it is, but it was screaming off. The rod was going nuts. It's taken a lot of line, I think, because when I saw it, I think I sort of brought the attention to it a bit when I saw it and started heading driving over to it. So there's two rods, no one that's got the bait in, but this is good. Could end up being another boring video, but let's see what comes in on the end of the line from out there that's picked up his bait. We'll go on the you see on the paddleboard out there, he went off. And the line, whatever he's got on, is straight directly at this guy on the paddleboard. Maybe he ran into the line or something. That's bizarre. We just stopped back here. This guy, I saw his rod was peeling a bit of line. The rod was going off, so I pulled in to have a look at this. Everyone's watching now, yeah. It's a long way out, whatever it is. You went straight past. I'm parked in front of the guy with whatever it is that's taken his line. Stingray, I think, by the way it's going. And it keeps coming back to him, and then it's just going off at times. Yeah, I don't know. It could be something else. Be interesting. It's a long way down the beach at the moment, though. It doesn't want to come in. I'm just going to park up here and I'll go over and have a look because I'm interested. Yeah, mate, you can come over. Go and have a look and see what he's got, eh? So he's still going at the moment. It's only been about a minute. So it's gone all right, you know, whatever it is. Likes to take a rest every now and then. Haven't seen anything in the water yet other than a couple of swimmers. Walking towards it, that's what I'd be doing. I'd want whatever that is on the line, I want to at least see it. Banjo, is it? Banjo shark, pretty boring. But that's alright. Here it is. Banjo shark, for those that don't know what a banjo shark looks like. Not much of a shark, you know, if it gets bitten by it. It's probably going to bust off. Stingray. Vacuum cleaner sucked on the bottom. And this is the main exit off the beach at Robe. And yeah, it's like a concrete runway just about. If you get in any trouble even in a two-wheel drive, there's these rubber pads underneath and you've only got literally from there to here and it's flat, and I don't think anybody's ever going to get bogged there. That'd be ridiculous. But it's the 4-5 o'clock type thing where everybody just wants to get off the beach. Anyway, hope you enjoyed our little adventure heading back up the beach this afternoon and the Stingray. better adventures next time. Subscribe, turn the bell on. Bada bing.
Bada boom.
Bada bing.
Bada boom.
Bada bing.
Bada boom.
Bada boom.
Bada boom.
Bada boom.
Bada bing.
See ya.